Hello everyone, today I'm filming this makeup tutorial for you guys. Black smoky eyes with a hint of color, and as you can see it's black smoky eye but not as deep and dark. I'm putting on some headphones and then priming my face with Pixie Glow Mist. Then I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude. Now with a damp beauty sponge, I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Now after I'm done applying the foundation to my face, I'll be going in with concealer. So my new favorite technique of applying concealer is mixing two. So first I'm dabbing just a little Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and after that I'm going in with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light. I feel like this gives a very good coverage and doesn't overcake the concealer. Using the same damp beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend this all. Now it's time to apply some baking powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna apply this under the eyes and let it sit there till the rest of my makeup is done. I'm going in with a Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha and applying it under the cheekbone, on the bridge of the nose, around the forehead, under the jawline. And you can see I'm not really applying neat lines. That's because I'm gonna blend them anyways. Now I'm gonna blend this all using a Real Techniques brush. Now I'm gonna clean the contour line using the same translucent powder. This is gonna set the makeup very nicely. Using the Maybelline concealer, I'm gonna set my eyelids and also put some of that translucent powder. I'm going in with the ABH Sultry eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this lighter shade for transition. The name of the shade is Twig. Now I'm going in with this black shade called Nair, and I'm gonna apply it on the eyelids. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing on the black shade and then blending towards the edges to get the deeper black effect. It has to be pressed in properly, and you see I'm blending the edges towards the transition shade. Now to give it a more smoother transition, I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade, which is called Dystopian, from this same eyeshadow palette. It's gonna give a nice gradient effect. And I'm also using a cleaner brush to blend it even further. I'm using the Juvia's Place Magic eyeshadow palette and taking this shade called Aja, I'm gonna apply it very close to the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with this shade, which is called Buzo. I'm gonna apply it all over the lower lash line. The brushes I'm using for this eyeshadow are smaller in size. Now I'm using this lighter shade to blend it and smoke it out further. The name of the shade is Yara. I'm going in with a Benefit Cosmetics roller liner to give a slight winged line, and I'm also using the Goof Proof eyebrow pencil to shape my eyebrows. I applied the Lily lashes in Miami to give a very dramatic effect, and also brushed off the excess powder on my face. I'm using a very light brown shade to line my lips, and then going in with the ABH blush palette and using this light blush, and also the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter, a ray of light to highlight my cheekbones, the brow bone. Now I'm just blending everything in together by buffing the translucent powder all over my face. And this lipstick is by L'Oreal 414 and it's called Eye Rule. So I hope you liked this makeup tutorial. It wasn't as difficult as it seemed. The whole makeup look is very easy to achieve. I hope you like it and do leave a comment below if you have any questions. Hoping to see you in my next tutorial. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. I'll be leaving all my social media links in the description box below, and I'll also be leaving all the product description, details, shade names and everything in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. Until next time, bye. I just can't get enough.